Welcome back to ETCN channel. Today I'm sharing with you a glimpse of our vacation from Grand Palladium in PVR, Riviera Nayarit. So we went there for December holidays and the weather was incredible. We had lots of fun with friends and family, and we enjoyed a lot of good food. Of course, lots of salsa, guacamole. We had ordered room service a few times. There was abundance of fruits and vegetables, so I really tried to eat lots of salads and stuff, but you know what, desserts took over. They took over my life, and I had amazing time trying these delicious treats that were served in the buffet dining area. So lots of variety of desserts were served. Of course, holiday season, everyone wants to enjoy, have a good time, so all-inclusive vacations make sense. You got to be careful what you eat though, but I guess I threw the caution out of the window and dug in lots of delicious treats. Now enough of these sweet stuff. Let's check out what we had at the buffet. Yes, a little bit more dessert, and I'm not saying that I didn't like it. It was amazing. I also tried to eat lots of salads. They were small portions. Some of them were pre-made, which were quite delicious, quite tasty. And then they also have certain specialty dining areas. So there's a sushi restaurant where we had some sushi one night, some noodles. They have an Italian place, and of course buffet is always a hit with the kids. And I am vegetarian, so I had lots of guacamole, salsa, rice, potatoes, and they were all good. They were all tasty. I like food at all-inclusive resorts in Mexico. So let's check out their buffet dining area. It was busy time, but still, you know, depending on what time you went, you were able to get in. There were sometimes long lineups to get into the buffet hall, but they had like 2 or 3 different options. You can always order room service. So lots of cakes. Sometimes there were multiple of cakes and breads so that no one goes hungry. And that's the beauty of all-inclusive, that you can sleep in and then you get up and you still get quite a lot of options. Lots of cookies, cakes, and most of them were tasty. You know, sometimes when food gets cooked in bulk, you never know the quality, what the quality is going to be like. Grand Palladium did a decent job. Of course, I like the food on the cruise a little better, but Grand Palladium was no less. And this is in Riviera Nayarit, closer to Puerto Vallarta side. So muffins, donuts, pancakes were there. You could make your own crepes, lots of fruit, make your own sandwiches, cheeses, make your own salads. You can also be decadent and you could enjoy heaps and heaps of pancakes, French toasts, crepes. Some were pre-made, some were made to order. There was also omelette station. You can dress them as per your liking. I really liked enjoying these enchiladas. Some of them were vegetarian, some had chicken. So that was a lot of fun eating them. They had a unique flavor and I kind of like that. Enchiladas roja and verde. I think that's just red and green, depending on what kind of sauce was used. Some of them were getting made right there and then. So lots of fruits and yogurt for the picky kids, or you had family that like only specific things. So this is a breakfast buffet. Of course, salsa is always there. So the lady is just frying, the chef is just frying the dough in there, and then she would top it up with seasonings like some kind of lettuce, cheese, sauce. That was delicious. Sauces and garnishes for those enchiladas that she's preparing, I believe. And then lots of breads were there. They were available for breakfast, during soups, during lunches, during dinner service. They are great with the soups and salads. So lots of variety of breads. I kind of found that some of them were a little hard So yeah, variety of different flours I guess must have been used. Butter, jam, always there. You can prepare your own sandwiches. Look at the variety of bread rolls they have. Cornflakes, different kind of cereals, fruits. So if you're a fruit person, that's what you like eating in the morning for breakfast, and you can enjoy that. There's always oatmeal and some hearty food items. If you're looking for a brunch, this was perfect. So there was potatoes, eggs, sausage, lots of meat, different kinds of vegetables. I don't like a lot of cream in the veggies, so some people might enjoy that. That was there. Some sort of tomatoes, chicken in the morning if you like that. On a holiday, everything is fair. So that stuff was there. Variety of sauces. You can always make your food hot. Meat, chicken. Some ladies were getting their tortillas warmed up. Ladies doing that. She's also making fresh omelets. There is an omelet station. And same during lunch service. You could have pizza. You could have stir fries. They had stations set up for them. And here we have more options for brunch. Some chicken, broccoli, some kind of creamy mushroom soup. Whoever wants that for breakfast. Some sausage items, mozzarella sticks. A lot of things people can enjoy. I think they were trying to cater to Mexican audience as well as North American population, people from US and Canada. And of course, if you still want more, you could have more cookies, cakes and desserts with a cup of tea. They were fantastic. On some days on the beach, there was also different things going on. Like one day, guy was making this seafood paella, which looked beautiful. Smell was incredible. He was cooking it outside on a big pot in a big giant pit, I guess. And some soups and salads were there. Of course, hot dogs always by the pool are available. Some chips. Those offerings are always there. So all in all, we had a great time. We made lots of memories and we are ready for our summer adventures. Hope you like this video, guys. Share it with friends and family and keep watching our channel, Eat East Indian.